Good morning. The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. I want to say good morning and welcome to all of the applicants. And I'm going to ask Ms. Guerra to please proceed.
Good morning and may it please the court. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's committee on character and fitness, am honored this morning to present to the court 25 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this morning does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and therefore I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you. Now, I have consulted with my co-judges, and we have discussed whether or not I have the power to grant this motion. But before I do rule on the motion, I wish to ask you to express the gratitude of the court to the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness who served pro bono without compensation to ensure that all of the candidates possess the requisite character and fitness to warrant admission to the bar. So thank you, and thanks to them, and the motion is granted.
Thank you.
Now, you're welcome. Now the clerk of the court, the Honorable Susana Rojas, will administer the oath of office.
Good morning, Justice Massarelli. Good morning, candidates. I would administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying I do. At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of your abilities? Please unmute your mic and respond by saying I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. Please mute your mics and you may put down your right hand. Thank you.
And let me ask the other judges to unmute their mics, and let's give all a round of applause. Now, I'm hoping everyone's mic is muted. And I'm now going to introduce the surprise judge who will make the remarks to welcome you to the bar, and that's me, Justice Mazzarelli. It's our tradition for each of the one of the judges to make a welcoming speech to each of the incoming classes, and today I have that great honor. And as you know, I don't have to tell you, this is a momentous day for you, for all of you, and for your families. You've each worked very hard to reach this milestone, and it is to truly be celebrated. We all know that these are extraordinary times. Just the fact that this ceremony is being done virtually exemplifies that. Nonetheless, it should not detract from the joy and importance of today for you. Being a lawyer is a great honor and a privilege. It gives you the knowledge and the ability to affect the lives of many people in a positive way. I know there are a lot of lawyer jokes, and some can even be pretty funny. But the truth about lawyers is really different from the humorous portrayals. The legal system and lawyers are and have been the most important vehicle for social change throughout the history of our country in every area. Without lawyers and their courageous acts, no progress would have been made in the areas of civil rights, gender equality, equal access for all to economic opportunity, and equal protection for every person under the law. We all know that we still have a very long road ahead to fully achieve those goals, and it will be lawyers just like you who will work to reach them. I hope that when conditions permit, you will visit our beautiful courthouse and courtroom and take in their magnificence. When we perform this ceremony in our courtroom, I talk about the beauty and majesty that surrounds us and what an honor and privilege it is to be in that room. I point out its magnificent and meaningful art, which exemplifies important concepts in the law. There are murals depicting power, wisdom, and justice, the pillars of our legal system in our courtroom. I mentioned that 2 of our current United States Supreme Court justices were sworn in there in our courtroom, Elena Kagan and Sonia Sotomayor. And the late Ruth Bader Ginsburg was also sworn in that room. And there are many other famous lawyers who've been sworn in our courtroom and were members of the New York Bar. Benjamin Cardozo, Louis Brandeis, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, to name just a few. Each of you now have joined that same bar, the New York State Bar, and each of you has the opportunity to follow their greatness. You are limited truly only by your imagination and your energy. So go, celebrate your accomplishments, and forge ahead and work toward achieving justice for all. Thank you. The admissions ceremony is now concluded and court is adjourned. Good day.
Thank you. All of the justices will log off. Candidates, hold on just a moment. Congratulations to all of you. If you have any questions, now is the time to ask. And if not, enjoy the rest of your day. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.